is everyone doing? Hi, Alking. Hi, Sungjin. Hi, Stella. Who else? Ujin, hello, and Annie, and Alking. So Alking says, hello, Esther teacher. How are you? I'm pleased, and I ate tteokbokki. Oh my gosh, and kimbap. And it was yummy, and I did my homework. Yeah, Alking. All right. And Eugene with your cat in a box, I love it. And Annie, hello, how are you? Hi, honey, too. Well, honey, you went to an English camp, but it was a little sad because a friend, oh no, I'm sorry, honey. But you're fine now. All right, honey, yay. Well, I hope your English camp is a lot of fun and that you get to learn a lot. How am I today? I am very hot. How are you, honey? All right. Oh, thank you, honey. You're so sweet. Yeah. And then Lowan is here. Hello, Lowan. You're happy. Yeah. I love it. Welcome back, Lowan. And everyone, how is your vacation going, your summer vacation? Hello, Jasmine. Nice to see you. How am I? I'm excited for a new book. Oh my gosh, it's such an interesting topic today. And you're good. And the reason is you get to come this month to another class. And so you're happy. And yes, I wear glasses, Jasmine. What about all of you? Do you wear glasses? Hello, Annie. You're good because you ate delicious bread. Ooh, Annie, bread is so yummy. I love bread. All right. So everyone, how was your weekend? How was your Monday? Happy Monday. All right. I hope you're all doing fun stuff this summer. Jasmine, you don't wear glasses? All right. So maybe you have perfect 20/20 vision. I wish I did too, Jasmine. All right. Okay, so everyone, we have an exciting lesson. Oh, hello, Stella. Yesterday you ate Mexican food. Oh my gosh, Stella, Mexican food is my favorite. All right, Stella. I had Mexican food on Saturday. Oh, hello, Anu. Anu's back. You're good, and you did your homework, and you ate so much food. Yeah, Anu, good job doing your homework, and I'm glad you ate a lot of delicious food. All right. I'm happy to see you, Anu. All right. And how are you? Oh, you said I'm good. Okay. All right, Anu. And Stella, how am I? I'm so happy to see you all. And you're happy too? Yeah, Stella. All right. Well, I hope you're all having a fantastic Monday and a fantastic summer vacation. And that if you're going to an English camp or another camp, that you have a lot of fun there. All right, so everyone, let's go ahead and get started. Let's see who did their homework. All right, so actually this is from the last book. So we have Lowan. Yeah, Jasmine, all right, your name's here. All right, Jasmine. And, oh, you're a Sagittarius. Honey, oh, honey's a Sagittarius. I am a Gemini. So you were born in, I believe, December to early January. Wow, honey, nice. And you did your homework. All right, so let me write honey. Okay, honey. And let me know if I missed anyone else. I think I might be missing some people. So we have Eugene, Unu, Minsuk, Alking, Jasmine, Jian, and Monkey Yona, and Lowan, and Honey. 16 out of 16, 100%. Awesome, everyone. All right, let me know if I missed your name, and I will write it. Yeah, everyone. Good. Okay. Oh, Jian, hello. How am I? I'm so happy to see you. And you're good because, wow, today you bought, and it went too fast, but you bought something today. Oh, my gosh, Jian, what did you buy? All right. Oh, let me write Jian. All right. Yeah, Jian. Yes, good job. And Honey. Ooh, 12, oh, okay, so December 24th, Christmas Eve. Wow, honey, that's exciting. Wow, what a birthday to be born on Christmas Eve. That's so awesome. What a happy birthday, happy Merry Christmas present for your parents. Oh my gosh. All right, so everyone, let's go ahead. Oh, let me write Annie. Good job, Annie. Yeah. All right, awesome work, Annie. And anyone else, let me know. Okay, everyone, so now let's go ahead and get started with our new book. So we're back to STEAM reading, and today's topic is what's the temperature? Well, today it is very, very, very hot. All right, so the first word we have is thermometers. Thermometers. What is a thermometer? So, good job, Annie, Alking, and Loan, Ujin, and Sungjin. This is a device that measures temperature. Good job, Annie and Jasmine. So, I'm sure you may have used one of these before. You can use them when you're sick. Good job, honey. You can use them when you're cooking. And then you can also check the temperature. Good job, Annie and Jian, of your air conditioner or your heater. All right, Anil. So let's look here. All right. So wow. Okay. So this has Fahrenheit right here, and then it has Celsius right here. So it is about 60 or 70 degrees Fahrenheit and around 20 degrees Celsius. All right. Oh, Jasmine, you use this at your school? Yeah. If you take a chemistry class, you might use one of these. All right, Jian. So here we have a different thermometer. So this one is a digital thermometer, and it is meant for cooking. So you can put this in a soup or a piece of meat, and you can see what temperature your soup is or what temperature your meat is, so that you know it is safe to eat. Yeah, Jasmine. So when you're cooking, sometimes it's really important to make sure that the meat is hot enough. So that way it kills all of the bacteria, and then it is safe to eat. And then sometimes this is also used for soup or milk. Like if you're making a latte, you need to make sure the milk is at a certain temperature. So a lot of people use digital thermometers or any kind of thermometer for their cooking. All right. All right, so do you see this? All right, this is a digital thermometer. Oh, what is F? F is Fahrenheit. So that is what we use in America. Let me show you again. So in America, we use Fahrenheit, which is on this side, and then Korea uses Celsius. So Fahrenheit is just a different unit of temperature. So sometimes when I hear Celsius, I don't really know what it means, but if I hear Fahrenheit, then I know what it means. So we have Fahrenheit, degrees in Fahrenheit, and then we have degrees in Celsius. So this is very confusing, but these are both just units of measurement for temperature. So you can see how hot or cold it is by using Celsius or Fahrenheit. All right, so there is an equation for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. I don't remember the equation, but these are both just units of temperature. All right. So, okay, all right, so Jasmine, you use a thermometer when you're sick. Oh, Jian, yeah, good, all right. So I hope that makes sense. There's just Fahrenheit and Celsius, but they're both units of temperature. All right, it's kind of like inches and centimeters, miles and kilometers, Fahrenheit and Celsius. So these are just different units of measurement. So Korea uses Celsius, centimeters, kilometers. America uses Fahrenheit, inches, and miles. You're welcome, honey. Thank you for asking that question. All right, so here, this is very important. We need to make sure our food is safe to eat. So one way we can do that is by using a thermometer to make sure it's killing all the germs and bacteria. And then also, sometimes you want to know, can we go to the beach today? Well, one way to find out if you can go to the beach is to use a thermometer to check the weather, make sure it's hot enough, and then you know if you can wear shorts or sandals, or do you need a jacket? Do you need to wear a hat? all the things. So sometimes it's cold. You need to know if it's cold and you need to wear a jacket. And then sometimes you want to know, is it going to be hot so that you don't wear too many layers and then get too hot. All right, so here we have Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, everyone, so thermometers tell us when it is hot or cold. All right, so has anyone ever used one in a chemistry class? Oh, Jasmine, yeah, yes, the sea. Hopefully the sea is nice and cold or cool. All right. Yeah, sometimes even though the air is hot, the sea, the ocean is still really cold. Good point, Jasmine. So here we have the word exact. Exact. So what does exact mean? Exact means correct, accurate. Good job, Alking and Unu. All right, Annie. So thermometers, they tell us the exact temperature. Good job, Ujin. So exact. All right, the correct temperature. Good job, Jean and Annie and Jasmine. So let's look at this. What is an exact number? Good job, honey. An exact number, it has zero uncertainty in it. It has an infinite number of significant figures. Good job, Loan. So for example, we can have 4 apples. So we know exactly we have 4 apples. It can be with a ruler, centimeters, so 100 centimeters. This is an exact number. All right. Jasmine, yeah, you got all exact numbers correct answers on your test. All right, Jasmine. Okay, oh wow, Annie, that's hot. All right, Jean. And then here we have 16 ounces in a pound and 8 eggs in this egg carton. And so Celsius and Fahrenheit, these are exact numbers as well. So examples of exact numbers are counted numbers and defined unit conversions. So units of Fahrenheit or Celsius or inches or centimeters, for example, or ounces, milliliters. All right, so thermometers, they will tell us exact numbers. All right, 1 pound is 1 gram. I believe 1 pound is way more than 1 gram. 1 gram, I think, is a very small amount. And depending on what you're weighing of 1 pound, it could be like maybe like this, like sugar. 1 pound of sugar is about like a bag about that big. So, and then 1 gram, I think, is like that. All right, yeah, Jasmine. So we use exact units of temperature when we're cooking, when we're checking our temperature, if we're sick, if we turn on the air conditioner, if we turn on the ondol or the heater, we need to know the exact temperature. All right. So they tell us the exact temperature. All right. So honey, I believe 1 kilogram is a little bit less than a pound. I could be wrong because I'm not good with converting things, but I think 1 pound is a little bit heavier than 1 kilogram. Let me know. All right. Yeah, June, 98.6. That's a very hot temperature. This is, wow, that's very hot. Okay. So this is in Fahrenheit. All right, as you can see there, Fahrenheit. Okay, if that was Celsius, that would be much hotter than in Fahrenheit. All right, nice work, everyone. So then we have 2 more words here. Good job, Sungjin. We have an inu, we have add and food coloring. Oh no, and food coloring. So to add something means to put something into another thing. For example, when I drink coffee, I like to add coconut milk. I love to put coconut milk into my coffee. That is delicious to me. Now, is there something that you like to add into any drink that you drink or any food that you eat? Good job, everyone. Al King, Jazz, and Ujin. And then, good job, Jian. And then food coloring is a dye that changes the color of food. So if you like macarons, Anu, you want to eat macarons? Me too. All right, Annie. So here we have some food coloring. You can get any kinds of colors but here we just have 4 colors. So this is a 4-pack of food coloring, red, yellow, green, and blue. And you can often use food coloring when you're baking stuff, when you're baking cookies or cake or macarons. Good job, Gian. So look at these beautiful macarons. So oftentimes, ooh, Jasmine, you like to add food coloring? Nice. Do you make cookies or macarons or cake? So as you can see, these macarons are really colorful. Now to get colors like this, oftentimes you have to use food coloring. Me too, G, and I could eat all of these macarons. And the colors are so beautiful, right, Jasmine? So I'm sorry, everyone, if you want macarons now. Me too. They are just so pretty. And sometimes you can't get these kinds of colors without using food coloring. All right, wow, that is beautiful. And sometimes food coloring is also in ice cream or juice, things like that. Good job, Honey and Gian. Wow, I'm so hungry. So food coloring was most likely used to make a lot of these colorful macarons. All right, so what we're going to do for this experiment, oh, you don't like to eat them, but they're beautiful. Yeah, all right, Jasmine, they're not too healthy, but they are delicious, and they're so beautiful. So what we can do is we can add food coloring. So put food coloring into a small plastic bottle or small bottle of water. All right, Gian. So we'll add some food coloring to make our own thermometer. Oh, Stella, your country's temperature is 82.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. All right, Stella, that's quite warm. All right. Good job. Yes, Jasmine, this is food coloring. So what we'll do is we'll just add some of that into this small bottle of water. So pour water into a small bottle and add food coloring. All right. Well, that's simple enough. And then we can make our own thermometer. All right, so let's go ahead and learn more about how to make our own thermometer. So the next word we have here is horizontal. So we have horizontal and vertical. Horizontal and vertical. So let's look at this. Good job, Lobon and Annie. So here we have horizontal lines and vertical lines. So horizontal lines go straight across. So here like that. All right, good job, Al King and Honey. And then vertical lines go up and down. They go straight up and straight down. Okay, and then these are all parallel. On a thermometer, the lines will be parallel, meaning they never touch each other. They're just straight like that. All right. Okay, so now we know what horizontal lines are. Good job, Annie. So we will draw horizontal lines on a piece of paper like this, and then put it on the straw. All right, Jasmine. So here, this person drew the horizontal lines, and then they put the straw, or the piece of paper, onto a straw. All right, Gian. So you can use any kind of paper. You can use an index card or just paper. And then if you have a straw, look at that. Wow. So you can do all of this. We can make our own thermometers this way. So draw horizontal lines. Oh my gosh, my handwriting. Horizontal lines on a piece of paper and put it on the straw. Okay, so now we're on our way to making our own thermometer. Yeah, Jasmine, that is horizontal. Good job, Jasmine. Nice. All right. So then the next word we have is showed. To show something means to reveal something. So right now I'm showing you my right hand. I'm revealing my right hand, the palm of my right hand. All right, Ujin in the line. So here, the thermometer will show us the change in temperature. What? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Good job, Ujin and everyone. So here it says, as the temperature rises, so as it gets hotter, the liquid will move up the straw and vice versa. Good job, Jasmine. So as it gets cold, the liquid will move down the straw. So if it gets hotter, it will rise. If it gets colder, it will go down. What? Oh my gosh. So you can use a real thermometer to mark the temperatures on the card for accuracy. Okay, so we can also use a real thermometer to make sure that we're marking the correct temperatures on the piece of paper. So then we know what temperatures our handmade thermometers are measuring. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. And then here, this person has made their own thermometer. This one's so cute. So here we have 5 degrees Celsius. Good job, Annie. Here we have average daytime weather. Oh, this one's good. Number 4, that's very nice. Not too cold, not too hot. Ah. And then here we have visit the pool or the beach. Oh, okay, so number 7, you have to go swimming because it's perfect weather. And then here, you really, really need the air conditioner. It's too hot. And then this one, it's too hot, you're very grumpy. Whoa, do you ever get like that? Sometimes when it's too hot, you might feel angry or grumpy. You don't want to go outside. You don't want to do anything because it's just too hot. So this is a very, very cute thermometer. I like it. Number 4 or 7, that is nice. So number 4 is perfect. And then also number 7 is perfect if you are by the beach or a swimming pool. Wow. All right. Well, everyone, so now we know we can make our own thermometers. So the thermometer showed us the change in temperature by going up or down. All right. Yes, Stella, me too. Okay, so Jasmine, you get angry when you're hot. So Jasmine has felt like number 10 before. Too hot, very grumpy. All right, Jasmine, definitely I have. When I get too hot, I get grumpy and sleepy. What about you? All right, so 4 and 7, that is ideal. That is just perfect. All right, nice work, everyone. So now let's go ahead and get started with Unit 1. What's the temperature? All right, so here we have a warm-up question, which is what happens when you put a thermometer in the sun? All right, yeah, Alking 10 would be too hot. So here, so this thermometer is in the sun, as you can see. Oh, it might break, huh, Stella? Yeah, if it's just shining too much and it gets too hot, the red part might just explode up, explode up out of the thermometer. All right. So everyone, let's go ahead and listen to track number 1 to mark the numbers for each key word. Okay, everyone, so let's go ahead and listen to this. All right, here we go.
Unit 1. What's the temperature?
Keywords. Look, listen, and repeat.
Thermometer. Exact. Add. Food coloring. Horizontal. Show.
Listen and number the words.
Oh my gosh, I got all of them.
Add.
All right, everyone. So,
Horizontal.
okay, so I think I played the different track that we needed, but that's okay, everyone. We are running out of time, so let's go ahead and move on. Okay, everyone, so did you get that? I know Alkin got it, Lohan got it. Okay, everyone, make sure you listen to the correct track. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and get started with the reading because we are running out of time. It's such an interesting topic. Okay, here we go. So thermometers tell us when it is hot or cold. They tell us the exact temperature. We use them in our daily lives. How do they work? Can we make our own thermometer? Let's make a thermometer with everyday materials. Step 1. Pour water into a small bottle and add a few drops of food coloring. Step 2. Poke a small hole in the lid. Step 3. Close the lid. Put the straw through the hole so it touches the water. Seal it with clay. Step 4. Draw horizontal lines on a piece of paper and put it on the straw. What did we see? When the temperature was warm, the water went up inside the straw. When the temperature was cold, the water went down into the bottle. How does it work? Liquids increase when they meet something warm. The water moves up the straw. Water decreases when it meets something cold. So it moves down the straw. The thermometer showed us the change in temperature. What? Oh my gosh. Good job, Jasmine. Wow. Wow. So water increases when it meets something warm, and then it decreases when it meets something cold. This is absolutely amazing. Did you know this? So now we can make our own thermometers. Wow, Alking, right? Who's going to do this? I want to do this. All right, everyone. So let's go ahead and read this really quickly. So there are 3 scales to measure temperature. The Celsius scale is used in most countries in the world, like Korea, for example. The Fahrenheit scale is used in the USA. The Kelvin scale is mainly used in science and technology. 0 degrees is different on each scale. Whoa, that is pretty confusing, right? And America is the only country that uses the Fahrenheit scale, which is so confusing. All right, everyone. So we have different scales of measurement for temperature. Okay, everyone, now let's go ahead and try to do some answers. Isn't that amazing, Al King? So number 1, what does exact mean in the reading? Does it mean, all right, Jasmine, does it mean correct? Does it mean incorrect? Or does it mean usual? Yeah, Songjin, it means correct. All right, Al King and Harry and Gian and Annie, awesome. And then what about number 2? What does work mean in the reading? All right, Jasmine. Work. What does work mean? Does it mean to earn money? Does it mean to be employed, to have a job? Or does it mean to have an effect? All right, Anu, that is correct. How do thermometers work? How do they have an effect on measuring temperature? Good job, Al King. Yeah, that one was a hard one. Good work, Jian. All right. Yeah, Songjin. All right, everyone. So it means how do they have an effect? How do they work? Good job, Harry. Good job, Jasmine. Yeah. All right, Annie. And then let's go ahead and look at number 1 here. What is the main purpose of the reading? Is it A, we use thermometers to measure how hot or how cold it is? Is it B, we use thermometers when the water goes up the straw? Or C, we use thermometers to measure how high the water can go up? All right, Inu and Al King. Oh, this one's tricky, huh? All right, Jian and Inu and Songjin, I agree with all of you. It's not just about water going up the straw or how high the water can go up. It's about how we use thermometers to measure how hot or cold it is. Good work. All right, Annie. Nice. Okay, everyone. What about number 2? It says, the colored water goes down the straw because, when it is cold, because let's see, the colored water goes down the straw because the liquids become bigger, or It goes down the straw because liquids become smaller when it is cold. Or is it liquids do not change when it is cold? All right. So remember, it decreases when it meets something cold. So when you decrease, you become smaller in amount. Good job, Jian. All right. So, and Sungjin and Harry and Alking. All right, everyone. So this one would be becomes small. Liquids become smaller when it is cold. All right, Annie and Jasmine. So let's go ahead and mark B. All right, and then we can double check here. So it went down. When the temperature was cold, the water went down into the bottle. How does it work? Liquids increase when they meet something warm, and water decreases, becomes smaller when it meets something cold. All right, now we checked our answer. Good work, everyone. So make sure, good job, Alking. So make sure, everyone, that you finish the rest of the questions as part of your homework. This is fascinating. So tomorrow's lesson will also be similar to this. I can't wait. All right, everyone, you all did fantastic. So remember to do your homework, pages 8 through 11 in your student book. Wow, Alking and Jasmine already doing it. And then also go ahead and do your activities in Unit 1 in the Big Box app. All right, everyone, you did amazing. Keep up the fantastic work. Have a great night, everyone. And I love you all. And I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.